Hello everyone, it's Thomas, your nationwide but still neighborly, friendly German Smear specialty contractor. I'm here in New York now. We were just in North Carolina. So far this year we've done 2 jobs in North Carolina, a couple jobs in Georgia, and making our way up north. We're in New York now, starting this beautiful home on this splendid property with all this nature all around me. I love it. Check it out. Anyway, so we got this type of brick in the front. I know we've gotten quite a few estimate requests with people asking if we've done homes like this with this style of brick, or I'm sorry, stone. And we do have a couple, and now we're about to add another one to the resume. So I'm about to take you on a tour around the house. Here's the side. This brick has extremely big joint lines. If you look, these are huge. My whole finger can fit inside of it. I got big hands, but let's go ahead and check out the back. It's a beautiful property. I'm gonna love it here. Unfortunately, it's still a little bit too chilly to utilize the pool, but that's all right. Here we are. All the pavers brand new. He just had them done, and so I'm gonna have to take extra care. Make sure I don't get them all stained up, which is almost impossible German smear. But what's important is being able to get it clean afterwards, which is something I'm really good at doing. If there's one thing I know how to do, it's clean. Here's the back of the house. The back of the bricks, the joint lines aren't as big. You can see we got some paint on these bricks. Like here, it's not a lot, so it's not really gonna mess up our work. But my power washer is gonna get most of that off anyway. That's one of the importances of power washing as well, along with making sure everything's clean. But look at this property. We're gonna be doing this shed back here, which is absolutely a mess. So I'm gonna spend so much time getting that thing power washed. And we're going down and around. Look at that tree. That's a tree. Anyway, here's the last side of the house that's going to be connecting with the front that I just showed you. The 3 sides are brick. The front is this stone. So all this is like a mildew that's growing on the stone. Mold, what have you, whatever it might be. It's living. It's an organism, and it's got to go. That will absolutely discolor the final product of the mortar. And with saying that, I'm going to recommend to this client that he gets a brick protection package as well, because it is an extreme inhibitor of mildew and mold growth on homes. And with how wooded his area is, I assume like that grows pretty easily here. Anyway, that's what we're going to be working on. I'm excited to transform it. We'll update you guys once we get some samples up and customer gets to choose them. Have a good day.